Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. It's another beautiful morning, and of course it is the time for the training session which we usually have on daily basis. Okay, yesterday we started a new topic on how we can trade successful, and I target how to use TP and LSL in trading. Okay, TP means take profit, while SL means stop loss. Okay, and these two trading tools, or these two instruments, are very vital in trading. Okay, they are meant to help us manage our risk in a more effective way. Okay, so this is very important, and it is important for us to know how to put them into use so that we can make some cool profit for ourselves at the end of the day. This has been helping most of us to make huge profit with this particular using this particular trading instrument. Okay, so all these are very important. So many people have been asking for this video, and that is why I've decided to deal with it in this week. Okay, so we started yesterday. If you missed that of yesterday, you can go back to it. That's the part one. We will continue from there today so that we will all understand how to go about it. But before we go fully into what we have right here, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I use to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself every day. Okay, you can be making within $50 to $100 per day. You can even make more than that per day. I've seen people, some of my subscribers that got some of my that got my trading tool on the 3M Train Milka trading tool about 3 weeks ago, are already making within $150 to $300 daily at the moment. Okay, so you too can get to that level. Okay, so I have some that I'm even making over $500 every day. Okay, so you can also get to that level. All you just need to do is just to subscribe to this channel, watch my training videos, and make sure you understand the strategies shared there. And of course, you can go back to your demo account, practice and perfect it first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. All these are very important. Okay, you can also join the Telegram channel so that you can follow up with the daily trading activities going on the Telegram channel. That channel alone helps us to make a lot of profit during the day, and that's been amazing. Okay, so you can join us right away. And there is one more thing that has been helping us to have successful trading activities, and it is the trading tools we all have been using, and that is the 3M Train Milka trading indicator. Okay, it's been amazing. It helps us to know when the market is on downtrend, and help us to know when the market is on uptrend. It helps us to know when to go into the trade and when to exit the trade, and this has always been helpful to each and every one of us. So we've been able to make use of this opportunity to milk the market successfully for a very long time. Okay guys, so let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, like I said, we started a training session on how we can make use of our TP and SL to trade successfully, at least to secure our capital and our profit, and also to have a successful trading activities. Okay, we started this yesterday and we will continue from there today. Okay, in my last video on this particular topic, I told you that you using stop loss or take profit will be useless if you don't know the exact assets you are trading, or if you don't know what you want to achieve with the exact assets you want to trade. Okay, which means you need to know the exact trend to trade the assets you want to trade, or in order for you to achieve whatever you want to achieve. Okay, if you are trading the spiky part in boom, then you shouldn't use that. You shouldn't trade that when the market is on downtrend. Okay, you shouldn't trade that when the market is on downtrend. Okay, but you should do that when the market is on uptrend, which is around here. Okay, so that is why you need to know how to trade the assets you want to trade before you jump into it, and you should know the best trend to trade it whenever you want to go into it. Okay, once that has been solved and you are using a good lot size that your capital can control, then this is when you can now introduce your stop loss and your take profit. Now let's discuss more about take profit in today's video. So quickly, let's see how we can set up our account and use take profit to manage our account successfully. Okay guys, using take profit actually depends on your it depends on the strategy you want to use and the trading tool you are using. Okay, your trading tool should be able to help you analyze the market successfully, help you to know the trend of the market, help you to know when to go into the market and when your market when you should exit the market. All these are very, very important. And like I always tell you, okay, let's say we are selling boom, okay, we want to sell boom, then definitely we need to do that when the market is on downtrend. And like I always tell you guys, this must be done from the resistance zone. So right here where we have the white horizontal line is our resistance zone, and that is where we expect it to start selling from. Okay, so saying the red flag right here shows that the market is on downtrend around there, and definitely we can come in where the arrow is popping out. So let's say we decide to come in where the horizontal line is. Okay, we are coming in right from there. Then where should we place our take profit? Okay, our take profit can be placed at anywhere depending on how we want to go about it, but in most cases I always advise you to check out for the next support zone. Even if not a major support zone, it can be a minor support zone depending on the capital you are having. Okay, if you are not having strong capital, I won't advise you to go on a very long distance. Okay, to put your take profits at a far distance where from where your entry point is. Okay, so let's say this is a minor support zone. Okay, right here is a minor support zone. So this is minor support zone. Then I expect you to put your take profits just before the support zone. Okay, so I'm going to introduce another horizontal line. Okay, let me change it to magenta color. Let me change the color to magenta color, or okay, probably let me change it to blue color. Okay, let me use aqua blue. Okay, this is beautiful. So this is going to stand for our take profits. Remember, this is the white horizontal line is our entry point. Okay, the reason why this is not going too far is because this place is around the resistance zone. Okay, and we are hoping that if it's not breaking out from the resistance zone, then it should go on downtrend. Okay, and right here it gave us a red flag, which means that it's most likely for it to go on downtrend around there. But at the same time, we don't want to sleep on it. Okay, of course, if we have strong capital, we can leave it open. After playing around for a while, if it's not breaking out above the resistance zone, then definitely it should go on to it should go into downtrend right from there, and of course it will keep on selling right from there. Okay, so but we still need to protect our account, more especially if you are not having a strong account. So right here is a minor support zone. Okay, and that is where we are most likely to have a spike happening. Okay, so this is very, very important. We are not sure if it will happen this time around, but it is most likely for it to happen around there. Okay, so but this is what I usually tell people. Okay, this is the next support zone, but if you are to set your take profit, do not set it on the next support zone, because it is a support zone, not the exact place that the support that's the spike will happen. Okay, so in most cases it's usually around this region and a little bit above it. Okay, a little bit above it. So spike can happen within this region and this region. Okay, so instead of you putting your take profits on the support zone, okay, on the exact support point, you put it a little bit above it, so that in case the spike is going to come up earlier than that, then definitely you won't be involved in it. Okay, so you can put your take profit somewhere here, okay, so that when the market gets there, you close your trade for you. You can see it came down from here and it got to this region. Okay, and this is the first time it got to this region, and it will have closed your trade for you, and this will have given you 1 2 3 4, that is 20-minute candles. Okay, and of course just after that you can see that it spiked up. Okay, so this will have saved you from this spike. Okay, most especially if you are a newbie, you might not have the confidence to stay in the market for a very long time, or for you to see you making some profit and losing it out almost immediately. You will be panicking at that point, but with this it will help you to make some profit based on this. Okay, but if you want to go a bit pro, okay, let's say you want to go a bit pro, okay, you can target the major resistance, the major support zone. Okay, let's say after securing all these, you got to this region. Okay, I'm using this particular arrow as the new entry point right now. So this is going to be our new entry point somewhere here. Is going to be our new entry point. Okay, so let me remove the stop loss. Okay, the take profit. I've removed the take profit, and right here I'm going to use this red horizontal line to mark out the next major support zone. Okay, the next support zone here is the next support zone within this region and this region. Okay, let me use this as red also, so that we have equal colors for the support zones. Okay, so this is the within this red horizontal line, and this red horizontal line is our next major support zone. Okay, so that is very, very important, and here should be our entry point. So where should we place our take profit? We can place your take profit just before getting to the next support zone. You can place it somewhere here. Okay, place your take profit somewhere here and leave it. Okay, not that it won't even pull back in between. It can pull back in between, but you are rest assured that you've not got into a major support zone. So at this stage, you can go to bed and sleep and leave it to work on its own. It's going to play around. You've given it enough room to play around till it gets to your major to your take profit, and right from here to your take profit is going to give you how much profit, how many candles. Okay, this is giving us 13 candles. Okay, you can imagine, guys, 13 5-minute candles. Okay, that's amazing, guys. 13 5-minute candles. Okay, let's do some calculation so that you guys will understand what we are talking about. Okay, it is very easy when you use take profit to monitor your trade so that you can have successful trading activities. Okay, that is 13 candles, okay, times 5. With this you would have traded for 65 minutes. That is more than 1 hour, guys. More than 1 hour in pure profit, guys. And let's say you are making $5 per minute, or probably you are making $3 per minute, times 3. Okay, times 3, this will give you $195. You can see how easy it is to make cool profit trading any of these assets using your take profit and your stop loss. We have only explained how to use stop loss alone. Okay, you can see the way I am setting my stop loss. This is the way I set my stop loss. I don't know how you want to set it. I don't know if this is pro enough, but what I'm trying to do is to make sure I have a secured our capital. In the past, based on my experience, I've noticed that sometimes when you put it around the support zone, it might not even get there before the market will have a reverse, and you will have to wait for a very long time before you get to your, it might eventually get to your take profit at the end of the day, but it will take more time for it to get to your take profits. Instead of you waiting for a very long time for you to get to your take profit, it would have opened more doors for you when it's reversed, and you can still come back with it again and make more profit at that particular point. So this is very easy to do. All you just need to do is just to make sure you understand everything I have explained in this video. Practice and perfect it first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account, and it will be very cool for you if you have a very good trading tool like this. Okay, if you have a very good trading tool like this, it will help you to analyze the market easily, and it will also help you to be able to set your take profit easily and make some cool cash for yourself at the end of the day. But if you don't have a good trading tool like this, you can get this particular one. You can send message to me on WhatsApp and make inquiry about it, and of course I will be there to reply. This is what all my subscribers are using, and they have been making amazing profit with this particular trading tool. So guys, I will be stopping right here. The most important thing is not all about the trading tool. It is about you, or about how you can make profit, which means you need to practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before you can start trading, okay, on your real account. So quickly, let's go straight into what we that is all we have for today. And of course, in case you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. And if you are yet to subscribe, to join the Telegram channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.